testing. What are we doing right here?
We are making the testing for the rotary actuator. Do you know what kind of testing we are having right now?
That's the question I was just about to ask. Can you let us know?
Okay, of course. This is the pressure testing we make, and we make 100% for the pressure testing for this part. As you can see that we make the oil port to make the oil inside, and we are testing for if the rotary actuators have any inner leakage, because this is under the testing pressure. And also we are observing if there is any outer leakage. So this is a very important issue for rotary actuators. And now it is turning, as you can see for this part, and we are checking if the turning and the angle is going right. And if everything is right, we are going to make the load and to see if the torque is correct. So this testing will be as long as half an hour. So this is the ensure for our high quality. So this is the insistence for WEITAI rotary actuators. I think if you have any need of the rotary actuators, you can let us know, since our actuators with solid quality.